I'm right now at the Tam Park in Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City. There are a lot of sports here, from table tennis, children's playground, general exercises, badminton, soccer on the sands, and there's an interesting basketball game at the corner, and so much more. So let's explore. Every day the youngsters or teenagers come here and play the basketball on both sides of the court, the left one and the right one, and they play this until like maybe 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. until the lights turn off. It's just like fun to watch them play the game. Oh, there's one. Soccer on the sands. They're not wearing any shoes, by the way. Table tennis. Badminton. Exercising, doing the squats and the pickleball right in front. Some elderly playing some chess games in the corner. And this way lead to the exercise corner, where there are lots of people, I think about 20 or 30 people exercising at the same time. But there are different machines, so let's check out. Firstly, there will be the exercise machine right here. There is like cycling kind of little machines, and you just hold on to the handles and do your legs do all the work. The other one will be the swinging machine, swing your legs, which all at the same time exercise your hips. There are benches to rest and lots of trees, as well as plenty of fresh air here. Let's see, some people are playing the aerobics and the yoga. Right here, they are skipping rope. Then, yeah, I think exercise corner is not too big, but that's enough to exercise for the basic needs. There's even pull-up bars. I tried just now. I just hang from there, and there's a large tree in the center. And outside the park, there are a lot of shops, including some little cafes, restaurants, handphone accessory shops, and even the spa. You can walk here or exercise, you can cycle, and then if you need to go to a restroom, there are 2 restrooms located at 2 corners. I see most people, they are like jogging now. They are just walking fast. If you come in the afternoon, you can check out they can play some Vietnam games. That's like the shuttlecock kicking. So today's video is just a short one. By the way, if you enjoyed the video so far, you can like, subscribe and share so that more people can enjoy the video. And then the street opposite will be called the Hai Ba Cheng District 3. So in Saigon, Vietnam, this area is quite funny because on the left side is District 1 and opposite on the right side District 3 on the same lane of the route. And this pedestrian route, I mean the route is very like crowded, 24 hours, especially during the peak hours. And then this area for the people to park their motorbikes. You can even rent bicycle and right here. Let's see what the other thing they have. Actually, this is a main entrance. There are quite beautiful decorations here. The 2 pine trees. Oh, that's a nice river bridge. This is the name of the park. There are some interesting decorations here. During Tet and special festival, there will be flowers decorating the front of the park and inside, especially the Tet, the New Year, like in January this year, like 6 months ago, and the next one will be upcoming in another 6 months. And from here is the main entrance. You can just walk in freely. There's no entry fee. So that's where the adventure starts. Saying hello to us. So I will end the video right here. Thanks everyone watching this video. I'd like to see you guys again in my next video. Take care everyone. I wish you happiness, peace and luck every single day. I'm just like going to walk opposite cross the pedestrian crossing and meet the Sun SM motorbike rider. He's actually there already waving at me. So So yeah, take care guys and see you in my next video. Bye bye.
Đây hay bên đây?
And one of the biggest Co.opmart in Saigon, the Co.opmart at the Cống Quỳnh, you see one. So this is the first level, and there's the main entrance, the locker to put your stuff, and I'm just like walking in now. The time now is 30 minutes past 9 p.m. Yeah, usual stuff that you normally find in the supermarket, but let's see what is special here. Oh, the first thing I saw, there are a lot of rice cookers and air fryer just right in front. Over 30 or 40 designs, a variety to choose from the average rice cooker of the price of 489,000. You can go all the way up to 3 million. Wow. Oh, there's a microwave, and there's the air fryer Philips. And in front will be the cashier area. They even sell the durians here. This is a fruit section. Rambutan, durians, lemons, pomelos. Wow. And according to my research, the pomelos with the leaves on them on top will be more fresh. Let's check out this. Oh, it's quite firm. About 30 minutes more. I'm confident I can cover almost every part of it. There's a second level as well. And in front will be the seafood section. They actually sell the live fishes. But the fish are sold out. They're actually in the tanks. There's still 5 crabs here. Over here with the tidbit section and the snacks. The coffee, G7 coffee is definitely one of the coffee that you guys should try in Vietnam. It's really fragrant and nice. Some of the sauces. They sell the bird nest as well. Right here. Not sure you guys drink bird nest, but I drink it sometimes. The red color is the sugar one. The blue color is no sugar. Tastes not really that nice to me, and they have some promotion now. You buy one, get one free. I'm walking towards the back. They sell some other stuff here like the Vietnamese cashews, even some of the seeds. Instant noodles in front, the rice. More snacks over here. The Oreos, choco pie. I think I tried almost every flavor, but I started with this Oreo, and then it came with other flavors like the matcha, chocolate, and this. Today is a Tuesday night already, 9:20 p.m. These are the folks are buying stuff. More of the snacks here, the Oreo pie and the baked rice crackers by the Co.opmart, their own in-house brand. Lots of sauces here, from the fish sauces, chili, ketchup, cooking oil. Oh man, you're just spoiled for choices. And not only that, you have all the canned food here. Sardines, luncheon meat. And of course, not forgetting the eggs. Like here, there are over 200 eggs, from the big egg, small egg, different sizes. Like this one is a pack of 6 small eggs, while here is a pack of 10 eggs, and this SL eggs, bigger size. Here with the vegetables section and the fruits. Surprisingly, they sell the artificial flowers as well. Oh, this could be the real flowers. Okay, these are the real flowers, and there is the artificial one. And there's the weighing station. The bread section over here. You can try the Otto brand. It's a Vietnam brand. Look at all these fruits here. From the lemon, avocado, mangoes, and dragon fruits. I'm climbing the staircase to the upper level now. I'm going to close like 10 minutes. I saw some of the lights already off in level 1, so I'll do a quick tour here. I see some toys, bed sheets, soft toys, artificial flowers, bags, packages, toys, men's, women's clothes and shoes for the children. There's caps, towels, bags, and more sandals over here. There are so many designs and colors of the sandals here, and the price only 55,000. But this is the normal quality. Wow, look at all the caps here, from 59,000 to 100,000. Oh, this is nice. Vietnam in my heart. It's very striking. There are also other design of the hats here. Do you know that they have the fitting room here? Just at the corner. The men's t-shirt, polo t-shirt, shirts, and here with the women's clothes. And then from here you can see the level 1. There's a glass panel. More of the clothes here. This is the female clothes. Oh, so many shapes and sizes of the umbrella, from the small one to the big one. Purses, handbags, and wallets for the men, backpacks for the kids or for adults as well, laptop bags, and right here will be the luggages, spinner 4 wheels, but mostly I see hard cases except on the left side, soft case. If you enjoyed the video so far, subscribe, like and share the video so that more people can actually watch the video together. Thanks very much. Over here the plush side, over there really so cute, adorable, and there are the naughty ones as well. My top 3 choices for the plush toy have been this little cute little pig here, and this one, followed by this one. Good. I think level 2 is more quiet and there are more stuff for the kids. There's many toys here. One thing cool about shopping at this time when you're going to close is you have all the stuff by yourself, can do some quick shopping, nobody disturb you, but it can be a bit scary. But there are still lights here, so it's okay. It's only 39,000 for every single item. That's for $1.50 US, $1.50 for markers, some of the household items, scissors, knife peeler, toothpicks, bag clips. There's a lift here, but it doesn't seem to be like in operation. And from here I'm going to walk down to level 1. I see some of the lunch boxes here made from glass and plastic. They even sell the induction cooker right here. Sun House is a good brand. And on top there's the yellow, they put in the prices on the yellow paper. Water kettles, fans, and rice cooker here, Tefal, another good brand. They also sell the mini ice cooler, the glasses, cups, tumblers. Look at the water bottles, the tumblers. They can keep the temperature hot and cold. So many types here. Have a look at the induction cookers from 799,000, Sunhouse brand. Wow, and the infrared is on top. Infrared cooker, I mean, and the kettles are all here. The cheapest I see is 129,000. This one. And there are more expensive ones at the bottom. There's even a bigger one. Study lamps, electrical power extension locks, fans of different sizes, the big one, the desktop fans, the medium fans. Energy drink session. In Vietnam there are this red color sting ring and the yellow one. The red one is much nicer, and now I have the blue color, blueberry, new flavor, Lipovitan, as well as the traditional Red Bull drinks. Durians from Vietnam, 115,000 dong per kilo, and I think this weighs about 2 to 3 kilo. And right here we have 4 to 5 kilo types. Visiting the pomelos once again, they look really fresh. Rambutan and green apples. Some more drinks here. There's the Wonder Farm, the green tea Suntory, and the rest here with the mineral water, Coca, Pepsi, 7-Up, Fanta, Marina. And guess what? They sell the brands, Chicken Essence and the Madness. The most popular brand of mineral water in Vietnam with the Aquafina. This is a 1.5 liters version. They even sell the mask here. Mosquito repellent, bandages, shower foam, the usual stuff, hand wash, the soap, and some of the creams. I was surprised to see they have the coffee flavored shower cream. Oh, not bad. The staff will actually like mop the floor before closing down, and now it's 15 minutes past 9 p.m. so that's why it's wet. These are the milk products. Yogurt. Moving my way to the exit now. I think I covered almost 80% of the supermarket. So yeah, just making my way out here. The closing time officially 10 p.m. So there are 10 more minutes for shoppers. This is a nice little trolley, by the way. And you can actually apply for the members card at the counter, customer service counter. There are also lots of trolley with these Co.opmart items here. We are sitting now. And this street of the District 1. 60% or 70% of the shops are closed because it's already almost 10 p.m. But in the downtown Pham Mun Lao and Bui Bien area, you can see more shops open. I'm just waiting for my Grab bike to arrive here, and you can actually sit here and wait for your Grab.